Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will show you how to make this website. This is a digital agency website. So we will make this website for free with free theme and free plugin. So let's see how to do it. At first, let's see the design first. At first, we have to download this digital agency Elementor template kit from Theme Forest. But although this is a premium template, but you can download it for free from this website. So come to this website, search the template kit and download it for free. Now click free download now. And here is a Google Drive link and download your template kit for free. Our download is complete. Now we will unzip this file, extract here, and we will delete the main file. And here is our file. Now we will upload it from our WordPress dashboard. So let's see how to do it. At first, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to the plugin section and click add new plugin. Then we have to install two plugins. The first one is Elementor. We have to install and then activate this plugin. And now we will install another plugin named Envoydigitalbd Elements. Both plugins are free. Now click install now. And then go to the install plugin section. And then at first activate Elementor. After activate this Elementor plugin, we can see the widget section. Now we will close it. And then again go to the plugin and install plugins. And then now click activate Envoydigitalbd Elements. After activate Envoydigitalbd Elements, we have to set up this Elementor plugin for using Envoydigitalbd Elements. So at first go to the settings. Now click feature. And then flex container will be active. Now click save changes. Now we will install this Elementor template kit in our dashboard. So go to the elements and click template kits. Here we can see those are premium template kits, so we can't install those. So we will use our own template kit. So click install template and then upload your zip file. So we will upload it here. Okay, our upload is totally complete. Now we have to wait. Now click install requirements and select all the plugins and then click install above selected requirements. Now close. Our setup is complete. Now go to the pages and click add new page. Now create a page, name home, and then publish it, and then click edit with Elementor. Now skip, and then click the page settings, and then click hide title and select Elementor full width from page layout, and then click publish. Okay, now we will import our template kit here. So click Envato elements. Now use view install kit. Now we can use any design from this, like we can use home, we can use service, about, contact, or portfolio. So let's see how to import this home page. Now click install template. Import processing is starting. We can see our import process is complete. Now let's see the full page design. Here is the design. Now we will customize it. At first, before customize it, we have to set up it in our website. Now click publish, and then go back to the WordPress dashboard, and then go to the settings and click reading option, and then select static page and select home page as a home page section. So now click save changes. Now let's view our web page home page section. Here is our design, but we have to remove this. So let's see how to remove it. So open it, edit with Elementor. Now click settings, and then scroll down and select Elementor canvas from page layout. Now click publish. Now reload the page again. Now we can see there is no any space. So our design import is successful. Now we can easily customize this design using Elementor Page Builder if you know it. We can see the full design process is complete. Our website is professional looking, so we can easily customize the design according to our needs. Like if you want to change the color of this text, then click here and go to the style, and then change the color, and we can make it white. Okay, then publish. Okay, we can also increase its font size. Also we can change the text. Like if you want to change the text, click content, and then let's achieve your goal. Smarter, okay, faster. Like we will change it as better, smarter, and we will not use it. Just cross it, delete it. Okay, now publish button. Click the publish button, and we can see the result here. We can also customize the text here. here and here also. So I will delete a section, like if I want to delete this section, just I will click here. As I have no any post, so I will not use this section. So just click here and delete section. Okay, we can see our design, our delete process is complete. Now click publish button and go back to the website and reload the page. And here we'll see the changes. We can see our changes, and also we deleted the section. Here we the deleted section is invisible here. So that's how you can make digital agency website according to your needs by using this template for free. Hope this video will help you a lot. If this video help you a lot, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you in next video.